Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video guys I will be showing you how to perform a factory reset on this device. Okay, so there might be a few reasons why you want to perform a factory reset. Maybe you're selling the phone onto somebody else, so you want to wipe the device totally clean, removing all your personal information and data from the device before you sell it on. Or maybe you're facing issues with the phone, so you want to perform a factory reset, and 9 out of 10 times performing a factory reset will fix issues that you face with the device. Whatever your reason may be, this is the video to follow to perform the factory reset. So let's go ahead and get into it. So just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll all the way down to where it says General Management. Select it, and then scroll down and you will see Reset. Select Reset, and then you have these options here. So reset all settings. If you're having problems with your network, like the Wi-Fi network, select the reset network settings, and it will reset the network, and that'll hopefully fix your Wi-Fi issues. And if you're having problems with the accessibility settings, just select the reset accessibility settings options, and that should fix that issue. But like I said, if you're selling the phone onto somebody else, this is the option to select. And if you're having major issues with the phone, if certain things aren't working right, this would be the option to select as well. Because like I mentioned, 9 out of 10 times, if you're having serious issues with a phone, once it's software related, this option will fix it. So go ahead and select Factory Data Reset. But before I select it, it explains exactly what it does. So reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. So let's go ahead and select it. Okay, so once again, it explains that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, private key stored in Samsung blockchain key store. The following apps will be uninstalled. Some apps may be reinstalled after the reset depending on your service provider. So you're going to lose some of these applications here: Google Drive, Google TV, Photos, YouTube Music, depending on your service provider. So you might lose it and you might not lose it. Just depends on your service provider. So go ahead and select Reset, and it gives you one last warning. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. So if you've got any important files on the phone, please make sure you back it up before you really go ahead and delete all. Because like it says, can't be recovered. All your personal data and information cannot be recovered. So just back everything up before you perform the reset. Okay, so once you're happy, to go ahead and select delete all, and then it's going to perform the factory reset. Okay, so depending on how many applications and files and downloaded games and music and all those things what you have on the phone, the reset shouldn't take too long. If you've got a lot of things on the phone, it will take a good amount of time. But if you don't have much on the phone, it should only take a few seconds to do the reset. Okay, so from here you can just power it off. That's if you give him the phone away. You can just power it off from here and put the phone in its box and then give it to whoever you're giving it to, or if you're selling it, sell it to whoever you're selling it to. And that's it, guys. That's how you perform a factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.